Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, I want to say hello. I am Nisha and welcome to the channel. So today we are playing in makeup again. Today's makeup session was definitely a makeup therapy time because I was feeling a little down today and I didn't like it. So I was like, you know what always uplift my spirit, of course, is makeup. So she all better though now. But I will be trying out the JACHLYN Hill palette volume number 2 palette. I procrastinated so much on getting this palette because I didn't want to, because of the bad experience I had with the Vogue collection from JACHLYN Hill and Morphe. Yeah, so I'm gonna go keep it all the way 100% simple. That's the reason why I procrastinated on getting this palette. Plus, I just thought the color story was definitely too girly, too much of the same similar, you know, shades and stuff. But I was like, I asked you guys on Instagram what was some good like yellow eyeshadows that's in a palette, and I got a few of you guys who mentioned this, and I was like, y'all just trying to get me to use this palette, y'all just trying to get me to get this palette. And I was like, I don't got this one, refer a different one. But I kept getting this as a mention, so I was like, you know what, Morphe had a sale, I took advantage of it. I think it was like maybe close to 50% off. So I was like, look, let me take advantage of it. I only got this palette, nothing else. And you guys will have to hear my opinion during the tutorial. So I'm not gonna say nothing right now because it would just spoil the video. But this is the look that I'll be showing you guys how to achieve. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Yeah, so we're starting this video off with no wig today because I didn't plan on doing my makeup, but I'm in a little funk. But in order to get myself in a good mood, what's very therapeutic to me is playing some makeup. So hopefully it changes my whole vibe, my whole mood and everything. So yeah, so let's do that today. So I got this in the mail. I finally ordered it. Oh, you guys can't even see it because it's so white. But this is the JACHLYN Hill palette. When I first started doing this like yellow thing, I asked you guys what was like your favorite yellow eyeshadow from a palette, and a lot of you guys said this palette, and I was just like, look, y'all just trying to get me to get this palette. I don't want it. I don't want to do anything with JACHLYN Hill. She did us wrong with the Vogue collection, so I was like, I don't want to, but y'all was like, well, sis, try it. So seeing this palette definitely up close and personal, I ain't gonna lie, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. Love the colors. It's lots of purples, pinks, orange, and red. And then you got your few shades of like neutrals right here at the top. And then you got your one splash of like random yellow right here. And then a random gold. So it's a little color story is a little girly, okay? Totally here for it though, but let's give this a try, okay? Okay, so some of these names are funny and some of these names are very weird for an eyeshadow, but that's JACHLYN Hill. But I'm gonna go in with Homebody, which is this beautiful, wait, is it this one? This one right here. So I'm gonna pick that color up. This is a Luna Magic eyeshadow brush. There's no name or nothing with this, but I really love this brush. Take this color, and I do have my highlight underneath my brow bone already on. So I'm just gonna take this color and pop it right in on my crease. Sorry if I'm looking down a lot. My mirror is like right here on my desk. I've been trying to do this method better because I've learned from my past like tutorials. I'm like holding my palette or something. I'm like so close, and then this camera, it focused on the closest object, which is this. So then it blurs the rest of me out. So I've been trying to do a little bit better. So I bought me a little desk mirror to go on the desk, and now I feel like I'm looking down a lot now. So I apologize if I am, but I still feel like you guys can still see what I'm doing. So I'm just popping this in my crease. This is a nice color though. It is a nice color and it's blending nice as usual. All right, so I'm gonna go with Oh Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Dance Party because I feel like this is grabbing my attention a little bit more. So this is Dance Party. It's a nice, I think this is a matte pink. I don't know, a little bit of like a certain angle. I don't feel like it's a matte. And then other angles, they do look like one. So I'm not sure, but we're gonna pop this. Did I get pink? We're gonna pop this right in the crease. Oh, this is a pretty color. Okay, so she can pass for matte. She can definitely pass for a matte. That brown on first because for one, I didn't know what I was going to do. But putting a brown in my crease first, like for my transition color, I definitely feel like it makes any other color that I put on in my crease blend out a lot better. So I'm just gonna take this color and blend it all the way in my crease. I'm gonna try my best not to go as high as I did with this brown, but I definitely feel like I am. And most of the time I usually do. So what I'm gonna do is just definitely reapply some of that brown so it can easily make that transition fade away going into the brow bone. So I'm just gonna keep blending this. And the brush that I'm using, I got this set of 7 brushes that this came in, and it was from Amazon, and these are like the best freaking eyeshadow brushes ever. All right, so I want to leave it a little bit like this. I definitely was going to put like this beautiful black in here, but I'm going to try to stick with color eyeshadows and stuff. So I'm going to cut the crease off camera, and then I come back and do the rest of the eye. I have on the shade number 2 from Juvias, the Eye Prep Eye Prime base. Really nice. Honestly, after using both of the primers, I think I like shade 1 for my all over the base foundation, and then I like shade 2 to cut my crease with. But if I had to pick one, I would definitely go with shade 2. I think the formula of shade 1 is a little bit too, what's the word? Not too pale. It's just, it feels like a different texture in it. Just a little bit. I feel like I can blend out shade number 2 a lot better. I don't know if I'm just used to that color or whatever, but I definitely feel like I can blend it out a lot better. I didn't have any creasing like with these, but now lately I feel like they've been creasing up on me. What I'm doing different, but they still do what they're supposed to do. So anywho, moving on, baby. For my eyes, for my eyelid, I think I'm gonna go in with Tipsy Girl, which is this beautiful, hold on, where's it at? This beautiful pink shade right here. There's only so much you can do with this palette that's not gonna make this, you know, your eyes girly. But I do like me some girly shades, so. I thought this was gonna be a little bit lighter than expected. So let me see if I'll change up my brushes, because that ain't the pink I was expecting for it to be. We're gonna just stick with this brush here. It's definitely appearing to be a little bit more darker than what I thought it was going to be. Interesting. Found the brush. It was right here in my face. So I'm gonna take the smaller brush so that I can get right in the crease area. That is perfect, yes, okay. All right, so that's what it looks like now that it is nicely blended out. I really like this pink. I just wish it was a little bit lighter than what I had expected it to be. All right, so I'm gonna make this cut crease color really stand out. I'm gonna take a eyeshadow brush and then go right around it. And then of course, taking that same pink that's in my crease, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that to the outer part. This is just gonna make the two pinks blend out a lot better. So I'm gonna add my wing and do my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the rest of the steps for today's look. Okay, so the rest of my face is semi on. I did go in with my Touch and Sew water and oil, and then I went in with the Touch and Sew primer as well. And the foundation today is my L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade, I think it's Mocha. It doesn't have a name. Okay, shade number 530. And then I put in concealer underneath my eyes just to brighten up my under eye areas. And I'm gonna set it with powder. But before I do that, I've been liking this method a lot better. I like to set the lower part of my my lash line down before putting my powder, because I have that concealer on from putting it underneath my eyes, so it's really nice and bold and vibrant. So I'm going to hold off on the powder for now. We're going to finish up the eyes. Now trying my best not to get this palette dirty, because the first JACHLYN Hill palette, y'all don't even want to see it. It is brown. It's just covered with all my foundation and stuff. So I think I'm going to go in with the same color that's in my crease. I'm just going to take that color and pop it on my lower lash line. I will give this palette that. I will give it the fact that this palette is very pigmented. I will give it that. I really would. And then I want to go in with the only yellow that's in this palette. I want to see how pretty this is. I'm going to pop it right in the inner tear duct. Oh, wow. I just popped her in the inner. She really is a nice yellow. I definitely got to come back and do another look using this yellow a little bit more, like all over the eyelid, because this is really a nice yellow. Okay, so y'all might have been right. This is a good yellow. I will give it that. It's not as bold as I would like for it to be, but I think it's just how I placed it. So I'm definitely going to clean this up, pop some lashes on, do the rest of the face, and then I come back to show you guys the complete and final look. So for the rest of my face, I went in with my Black Radiance setting powders. I did Banana underneath the eyes and Cocoa Kisses around the face. And then as for the rest of my face, contouring, blush, highlighting, and all that good stuff, I used the Tammy and Makeup Revolution, what is this one called? I always forget the name. Golden Hour, I think it's the name of this, I think. Golden Hour, and it looks like this. So I contoured both of these, started off with this one and then blended out with this. This is my blush and my highlight that I use. I'm gonna forever use this, I love it. So I wanted to come back and do my lips because I have another new lip product from Lip Bar. With Lip Bar, you're more than welcome to use my coupon code. I have it right here on the screen and also in the description box. Shade we're gonna be trying out is this beautiful brown. I just been into like brown lips lately. I want to try. It was another lipstick I wanted to try, but I can't find it. There was another beautiful like brown lipstick, and I just been in like that. What is it? The 80s, 90s vibe. When is that charcoal chocolate brown lip? I'm trying to bring that back. I'm so here for that. That's like my new nude lip. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil. This is by ColourPop, and this one's called BFF4. I'm gonna line my lips with this first. Beautiful lip pencil. Look at that. Oh, you know this look is gonna be everything. So you definitely go with a nude lip, but this is my definition of a nude lips. So this is what it looks like out of the packaging. A very beautiful color. And the name of this one is not on. Okay, it's called Savage. Hey, Ratchet, Bougie, Sassy. I don't know the lyrics. However the lyrics go. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty. And then I'm going to be extra because that's who I am. I'm going to take some Maybelline lip gloss and top this right on top of all this lip combination that we got going on. See my energy back? My energy back. Let me take these clips out. Yes, okay, so I'm here for this look, yes. Give me every type of everything type of vibes. Okay, hair is on. Okay, so this is what we got going on. I really do hope you guys like today's look. I know I did it a little bit different. I might be doing it a lot more this way. Let me know what is y'all preference, if y'all like my long videos, although this video is still long, but y'all know like my long talk through videos when I show you everything. I know some of you guys do like when I do my full face tutorials, but I like to rotate. I like to do them some videos and then other videos I don't, so I get a little bit out of time, you know, but y'all do know everything that I use on the face. Everything will be listed in the description box. If I forgot to mention anything, but I did mention everything, I believe. Sometimes oh, my lashes. So for my lashes, the other thing, for my lashes, I have on I Am Princess lashes. These are in the style Prima Donna. These are my favorite style of lashes from I Am Princess. So if you guys want to check her company line out, definitely go ahead and check the description box. I do have a link to where you can check her out and a coupon code as well if you guys want to use it after checkout. Okay, but yes, this is cute. This yellow is really pretty. I definitely had to add more to it to intensify it, but once I have it on, like had it on, it's like, can nobody tell me nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. So far this palette is a good. It took me a while to get it, but I got it now. So I definitely will be doing more tutorials with this palette if you guys want to see those tutorials using this palette. I'm still not a fan of her, but I do like this palette though, so I'm not trying to bash or anything like that. It's just she did us a little wrong, but I think she's trying to come back with her new cosmetic line from what I heard, but I still ain't buying it yet. I ain't buying it yet. It's gonna take me a cool minute, but anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. You guys stay blessed. I'm gonna send a little bit of positive vibes that I do have. I'm gonna send it y'all way. I hope you guys again enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys all in another one.